How to open your own pizzeria. Are you ready to create the perfect pizza corner in town? Opening a pizzeria is both exciting and challenging. With the right plan and dedication, you can turn your passion for pizza into a successful business. Let's dive into how to make it a reality. Before you bake your first pizza, you need to have a solid business plan. Describe your goals, financial expectations, and who your target audience is. It will be your compass when you face challenges. A strong plan also ensures that investors and banks see the potential in your idea. The market is full of competition. What makes your pizzeria unique? Research your competitors and find your unique selling point. Maybe it's your signature pizzas, organic ingredients, or innovative service. Your competitive analysis is essential to standing out. The name of your pizzeria is important. It should be memorable and communicate something about your identity. Consider whether you want to focus on Italian tradition, trendy pizza, or perhaps local sustainability. Create a logo, color palette, and style that your future customers will recognize. Decide what type of pizzeria you want to start. Is it a cozy cafe, a takeout, or a full-scale restaurant concept? Consider what your target audience prefers and what best fits your budget and location. The location of your pizzeria can determine your success. Make sure the location is visible, easy to reach, and close to a flow of potential customers and suppliers. Consider competitors in the area. Is there room for another pizza provider? Rent or own. Renting is often cheaper upfront, but owning gives you long-term security. Choose what best suits your finances and ambitions, but don't compromise on the quality of the location. To deliver the best pizzas, you need the highest quality equipment. Invest in everything from pizza ovens and dough mixers to cold storage. A well-designed kitchen saves time and optimizes flow, so you can deliver fast and delicious service every time. Hire a passionate team that loves pizza as much as you do. From pizza bakers to service staff, everyone should work towards the same goal, to make your pizzeria a favorite among customers. Also, make sure to provide thorough training to ensure quality. Your menu is your calling card. Make sure it offers something for everyone, but doesn't compromise on quality. Have signature pizzas that keep people coming back, and consider options for customization, perhaps gluten-free or vegan options. Test each recipe and make sure the flavors are right in the cupboard. Consistency is key to customer satisfaction. Every pizza should taste like it was made by an Italian master. Before you open your doors, people need to know who you are. Create a website and be active on social media. Posts about new flavors, exclusive opening offers, and glimpses from the kitchen are great ways to build excitement around the opening. Host some physical events like an opening party or a tasting night with free samples. An enticing first impression can turn visitors into loyal customers. Before the big opening, a soft opening can help you test operations. Invite friends and family and get feedback. It gives you the opportunity to fix mistakes and check if your staff is ready for the big pressure. When the doors open for good, focus on high quality and a welcoming atmosphere. Remember that happy customers not only return, but also recommend you to others. How do you keep customers happy and engaged? Offer loyalty programs and be responsive to feedback. The better you know your customers, the stronger your brand will be. Consider future plans, expand your menu, implement technology like ordering via apps, or eventually perhaps open an additional location. There are no limits to your success. Starting a pizzeria takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are great. With the right plan, passion, and a strong vision, you're ready to take your pizza dream from idea to reality. If you dream of becoming a pizza master in your city, start today. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments, and be sure to follow us for more tips. Your pizza journey starts here.